This is not from Uttarakhand but from Kerala. After Karnataka, now God's own country is experiencing massive landslides in parts of the state. Heavy rains wreak havoc in Kerala. 3 landslides hit Wayanad in just 4 hours. Several people were killed and hundreds have been trapped in the landslides. But that's not all. The landslides have cut off Mundukai, Churalmala, Attamala and Nulapuda villages. Heavy downpour proves to be a hindrance to the rescue operation. The Indian Army, NDRF, Fire Force, 2 helicopters, Mi-17 and ALH have joined the operation. As Kerala deals with the aftermath of the disaster, let's look at why there's been a recent spike in landslides. Climate change, deforestation, unplanned urbanization all contribute to the recent spike in landslides. Additionally, the recent change in the rainfall pattern has exacerbated the issue. According to Kerala Disaster Management, God's own country is prone to heavy rains and flooding, with an estimated 14.5% of the land area seen as vulnerable. The western flank of the Western Ghats, covering the eastern part of Kerala, is one of the major land areas prone to landslides. Over 1,500 square kilometers in the Western Ghats area are vulnerable. Of the 3,782 landslides between 2015 and 2022, about 59.2% or around 2,000 were reported in Kerala. What's worse, according to experts, is the construction activities in vulnerable areas that have led to the disaster. This is not the first time Kerala has faced such a tragedy. Similar pictures have been painted in the past as well. From 2018 to 2022, God's own country experienced massive landslides. 2018 is considered one of the worst among them. The landslides were triggered by one of the worst floods in the state's history, caused by extremely heavy rainfall over a short period of time. This led to widespread devastation, burying entire villages under mud and debris and resulting in significant loss of life with hundreds killed and many more injured. According to the Rebuild Kerala Development Programme paper, the landslides and floods in Kerala historically affect marginalized and vulnerable groups such as women, elderly, children and persons with disabilities.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News.